Welcome to Thailand, welcome to Phuket, and welcome to Apogee. What a fantastic opportunity for all of us to network, to learn from one another, and to get inspired to continue to win together. We're really honored that you came, joined us for the next 2 days. It's going to be incredible.
Apogee in Thailand, I mean, what an experience.
This is my first time in Phuket. This is my first Apogee event as well.
It's tropical, it's warm, socializing.
WatchGuard is always channel-centric, so we feel secure working with WatchGuard.
For some of you, it's 15, 20 years that you've done business with us. And so for you to put your trust in your business with us really means a lot.
We don't see the same level of engagement from just about anyone else.
Other vendors, you go there, you'll be treated just like a number.
We have about 17,000 active partners now across about 116 countries. 25% of those partners are cross-selling.
Having multiple products on one vendor is really important. We want to be able to provide products that give a similar user experience.
Giving you tools to demonstrate the value of cross-sell and show them the value of these products working together.
The main thing for me is the latest update or the roadmap from WatchGuard.
From a vendor perspective, you're getting product insights, which WatchGuard are very, very good at.
WatchGuard shared about SOC, MSP into a deeper conversation.
To share ideas and try and influence decisions and how we use the platforms in the future.
I always start with a conversation about how we can make your lives easier and ultimately building on that level of trust.
Coming along to an event like this to see what the partner is up to, where their direction's going, what they're investing in, what global trends they're seeing that I can take away is essential.
The partners who adopt WatchGuard as a platform do dramatically well with us.
It's a win-to-win situation between you and us as a partner.
Everybody is really motivated around this mission of empowering your success.
Prakash talked about extension of the family. That is very true.
If you succeed, we succeed. And that's really where we are as a company moving into the next phase.
So that we can plan how are we going to shift our company strategy to better support our customer with the alignment from WatchGuard.
We have built a platform that truly elevates security delivery to begin with.
An amazing production that's been put on. We're going to go back energized and positive and really take a fresh look at some of the stuff that's coming up.
It's really great to be part of this event.
Everyone together and just being social.
It opens my eyes to the opportunity.
But this is just the beginning. Tomorrow, as everybody goes back in the field, engage us, and we'll be absolutely keen to support you. And we look forward to this fantastic journey so that we can move forward and win in the marketplace.
Happy Apogee!